What's up, guys? I'm outside with the Arlington Theater. So this is where basically where everything starts. There's really not much past this street, so I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go downtown towards the pier, and take you guys with me on this walk downtown State Street, Santa Barbara. I'm gonna be walking. Little bro right there. We're gonna be walking past them, going to the beach. That's the pier down there. So we're heading down to the pier. This is State Street, Santa Barbara, California. Let's check it out. Alright. So there's a spot for the bikes. We're walking on it. I don't know if that's legal. Here, I'm gonna get on this side. I don't want to be in the road, in the bicycle road. And you got lovely e-bikes located outside the State Street. You'll see these on every block, so they're readily available. Here's some of the stores downtown, like Tilly's. I don't know what that is. Probably a brand name. Yeah, let's check it out. Wow, I can't believe she said that. I think I gotta be careful, there's those Santa Barbara thugs rolling the streets around this time of day, so I better be careful. Pizzeria place right here. What's it called? Californio Pizzeria. I believe this is Marshall's. There's Marshall's. Styling. So you'll find these little small shops posted on State Street. They'll sell clothing, random, just random things. You'll see them further down the street as well. But let's keep going. Right, so we didn't walk too far. We already made it to the Paseo Nuevo. So we started right there on Carrillo Street. We walked a couple blocks, and we're right here in the Paseo Nuevo, where you'll land this little alley. There's like a bunch of restaurants and places you can eat. As you can see, they have some signs out here, some samples of what you can find at this little Paseo Nuevo. So that's right here, and so yeah, we haven't traveled too far. We already hit a bunch of stores, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try to hit all the way to the pier and see what that looks like. So as you can see, I can't keep up with my brother. I fast forwarded this clip because he's walking normal and I'm still walking like I'm injured because I am injured. And it took me forever to just walk this half block, but I'll stop it right here. Right, so I'm gonna walk on the middle of the road. Check it out. So we officially walked about 4 blocks. Um, as you can see, there's a bunch of stores here. It's a lot of people. And we traveled approximately 4 blocks so far. But as you can see, we passed by a bunch of stores. So we try to, there's McConnell's, Blenders, there's Blenders in the Grass, bunch of places down here. And I still haven't hit it, I still haven't gone halfway point. We still got a good way to go to hit the pier, and let's check it out. My brother, can't wait. A bagel shop right here. Tondi Gelato. It's a cool little bagel shop. There's a 7-Eleven. Alright, so I've been walking for a little bit now. Still got a good ways to go, as you can see. Everything behind me. We started about 4 blocks. Walked 4 blocks, and we already passed a bunch of stores. As you can see behind me, there's a 7-Eleven. And there should be a movie theater just up ahead. So I'll try to show you that to you guys right now. Ortega and State, so we're almost there. Just I think like another 4 or 5 blocks. Then we should hit the bridge, and then we should be able to see the pier from there. Alright, and this is where you'll find the Hamburger Habit between Haley and Ortega Street. On State Street, you'll find the Habit. It's a really popular spot. So yeah, it's a real popular spot, the Habit. Let's keep going. So here's the movie theater too. Alright, so here's the movie theater that I was talking about. So those are the movies playing right now. Oh, it's not open yet. I think they open later on. Check it out. Let me see. I can't really see it, but it says 5 o'clock. Holy shit! It says 5:10, 5 o'clock, 5:30, and 5:40 p.m. Yeah, it's closed right now, but that's what that looks like inside the movie theater. Silver store. Alright, so almost done with this street. The next street is Haley. It's gonna be between Haley and Gutierrez. And mostly these stores, or they're not stores, but mostly the places around here are now bars. So if you're 21 and over, you're most likely gonna be in this section over here. Once I cross the street, because there's nothing but bars and restaurants. So let's check it out. Again, the middle of the road. As you can see, it's already a restaurant right here. bridge. Looking for you. I was like, where'd you go? We're almost there. Just a little bit more. Is he?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Nothing's where am I at? He gets home at 3:30.
Will he hook it up?
I don't know.
Ask him. Ask him, I'll go back. So here's another bike station. Like I said, there's one in every block pretty much. So you can pick one up if you guys are feeling lazy. There's pretty much one on every block. And this is State Street, Santa Barbara, California. Ask him if you hook it up. Alright, so as you can see, we already walked all of this State Street, starting from Victoria Street all the way to Gutierrez Street. And past that bridge is pretty much the pier. So I already did a video on that. I'll link it in this next video. But pretty much this is what State Street looks like. There's a bunch of stores. There's a bunch of people walking by. It's normally packed every day, you know. There's always action. There's always crowds here. So it's a good vibe, you know. If you guys never been here, I said you guys come and check it out.